not do this at home. I was being stupid. Well, I don't know why. Well, I need to get a plate. I'm gonna microwave this. I need to get like I'm getting a plate right now. Boom. It's gonna be like small plate. So I'm gonna center it. So this is how I do it. You guys shall see something that you will not. Stupid jar, you make me look bad. We collect jars. Now look, you have to microwave. Put it in there. This is 100% real. Just don't try it at home. Let it dry, cool down. This is what I do. Just go to my freezer. Happiness and stuff. Did you just see that on my YouTube video? Farts. Well, that was embarrassing. Oh my god, I just got some lemons before. And sorry for that. I was being a bum. Look, I'm out. Ew, it smells gross. It smells like weird nose. Let's see this one. Ah, feels weird. Ew, it's making me shiver. Well, since no one likes you, we threw it out today. And let's see if it's done yet. I was being bum, I'm not really mean. So let's pull this out. Let's see. A finished product. You just need to put it in the freezer for like a couple seconds. There's gonna be an episode tonight, okay? You can kind of read it. You can read this. I can read Adidas. What are they? Like tasty tacos. I don't know. Well, goodbye, everyone. Don't try. Someone's doing this for stupid reasons.